Hi, my name is Chris Lechner. I am a registered nurse at Columbus Community Hospital. I work in the operating room and I've been doing that for 11 years. I started off as an LPN and then I went back for my RN and then now I'm trying to get my BSN and I'm hoping that by December I will have accomplished that. I am married. I just recently celebrated my 23rd wedding anniversary. I have two grown children and a grandson, and we also have a dog and a cat, and they are the entertainment that we have in this house because all they do is chase each other around, fighting and playing, fighting and playing. But it's good entertainment at times. I enjoy movies. My husband and I are big science fiction fans. And so we like to uh, watch good science fiction, not the cheesy stuff. But I also enjoy reading. I read every night, and I really enjoy my job. I can't imagine doing anything else. I love the operating room. It's always something new every day. And I have great friends that I work with. The camaraderie is wonderful. We have a good time when we're not taking care of patients, but when we're taking care of patients, we're very serious and we take great pride in taking good care of them. So anyway, I appreciate you listening to me. I look forward to this class. I think it might be a little bit over my head. I'm hoping that I'm able to catch on and learn something from this. Um, so anyway, like I said, I really appreciate you taking time to listen, and I look forward to having some really good discussions with you. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.